This is the 20th video in my WordPress training series, and we have been covering various aspects of posts. And the final thing you want to do when you get ready to put your post out to the world is publish it. But there are several things we can go over prior to publishing. First, as we've been working with most of the videos, we've been working with drafts. So you'll notice here, this one here's the status. Here is draft. You can always edit that status to pending review. If you have multiple people working on your blog, you might want to send that to pending review so somebody else can look it over before it actually gets published. Then we have here visibility. We got public, we got password protected, which means someone would have to have a password to see your post. And we have private. That means only users to your blog with a password can get in to see your post, and to the rest of the people surfing the internet, they will never see your post. And here's an interesting aspect. Stick this post to the front page. Let's say this particular post is something that's important, or you might want it to be an introduction to your website, whatever. You want it to be at the top of all posts. When you publish a post, they go in reverse chronological order, the newest post being on top of all the other posts on your front page. And obviously they get sorted in their appropriate categories in reverse chronological order as well. But let's say you want a post to remain on your front page. We call it a sticky post. So you can stick a post to your front page that will be on the top of all other content added before and after it. So if you wanted to create something special for your front page to remain there, you would use a sticky post. Alright, so I just had to set to default to the public. So let's go look at, you have publishing choices as well. Let's say you have 5 articles, you wanted them published, you had written 5 articles, you wanted to publish them once a week, say on a Tuesday or whatever. You can set the date of each post to when you want them to publish, and then WordPress will wait until that particular date and time to actually publish it. But the final, and probably the most common, is going to be just immediate. Well, obviously you can move one to trash, and then if you need to get out of trash, you go to all posts. But the final thing usually is to just publish it. So we have this draft here. We're going to publish it, and we're going to go look at the front page, or we can view the post. But I'm just going to go to the front page here. And if you remember, I had the set a featured image, so it set the featured image up top. You can always remove that from the featured image. It was on the previous video to this. But there's my post. It is on top of a previous post we had worked with in a previous video. And that's all there is to publishing a WordPress post.